Got a new knife in the mail. This is the Shepherd Hills exclusive Case Sodbuster Junior Crossroads, model number XR10137 with the stonewashed S35 VN blade. It was made recently, exactly a month ago, September 16, 25. Figured I'd do an unboxing, cleaning, and sharpening, because that's just what you do for case knives. Let's take a look. Ooh. This is one of the main reasons why I picked this up. A fan of red liners. Yeah, it feels nice and solid. Can't tell if there's any gaps. A little tight on the pull, but probably loosen up. Here's the stonewashed blade. Yeah, pretty nice. Not too thick. Edge is toothy, as expected. See these nice liners. I'm a fan of red liners, like in my Joker knives. This is the Joker Lynx. And the Joker Arizo TS1. Thing's a little beast. Yeah, I figured I give Case one last shot for online ordering, since this has screwed on construction. I think these are T6 Torx screws. Let's do a size comparison. Compared to the yellow Delrin, it's a little bit thinner. And then to the bone, it's a little bit thicker than that. Yeah, nice snap to it. Let's weigh them. This is the yellow Delrin version, carbon steel. Comes in at 2.1 ounces. The peach seed jigged dark red bone comes in at 1.9 ounces. And the new Shepherd Hills exclusive Ren Liner Crossroads comes in at only 1.5 ounces. All right, let's clean this up. Let's do some sharpening for this, since Case usually ships their knives with a nice burr. I forgot to mention, check out New Again Knife Reviews. He's the one who showed me how to clean my knife. I got this field sharpener. So lately I've been sharpening this way. This is set for 20 degrees, so if I angle it up, make sure this is vertical, I can just go straight down. Let's get the other side. A little bit better. Let's get this strapped up. Not bad. All right, back with a nice fresh piece of paper. See how this cuts. Ooh. Not that great at first. Not too bad. I could work on it a little bit more, but it's got a nice working edge. The thing I like about case is this end here, they round off so it doesn't tear up your pockets. It's one of the reasons why it's wise to use a slip, so you can save your pockets too. Yeah, I've been carrying this bone Sodbuster and this Hitchin Timber leather slip that I just got, so still need to break it in. But yeah, this is really nice. Yellow Delrin I've been keeping in this QSB leather slip with the pocket clip. Easy this way. But for this, I might just pocket drop it since it's made out of micarta. Don't have to worry too much about nicks or a bone cracking. Nice thing about the stonewash blades, I don't have to wipe it down constantly from smudges. So yeah, looks like a nice knife. Alrighty. Hope you have a good one. Take it easy.